Hello students, let's begin with the sums of integration. Question number 1. Evaluate integration of 7x minus 2 the whole square dx. Now first we will consider the given integration as I. So let I is equal to integration of 7x minus 2 the whole square dx. Now here, as we know that when the linear equation is given ax plus b raised to n, then the integration will be ax plus b raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1 into the coefficient of x that we will write in the denominator. So here the integration will be 7x minus 2 raised to 2 plus 1 upon 2 plus 1 into the coefficient of x, that is 7, plus c, where c is the constant of integration. So after simplification we can write 7x minus 2 bracket raised to 3 upon 2 plus 1 is 3 into 7. So 7x minus 2 the bracket cube upon 21 plus c. Now question number 2. Evaluate integration of 11 minus t upon 3 bracket raised to 7 plus 4t plus 5 bracket raised to 4 dt. Now we will consider the given entire term as I. So I is equal to given term. Now since here two terms are given, we will write separate integration for both the terms, that is integration of 11 minus t upon 3 bracket raised to 7 dt plus integration of 4t plus 5 bracket raised to 4 dt. Now here we are going to integrate the given term with respect to t. Now here also by using the formula of ax plus b bracket raised to n, we will write the integration of the first term as 11 minus t upon 3 raised to 7 plus 1 upon 7 plus 1 into coefficient of t, that is minus 1 upon 3, plus while writing the integration of second term we will write 4t plus 5 bracket raised to 4 plus 1 upon 4 plus 1 into coefficient of t, that is 4. So after simplification we will get 11 minus t upon 3 bracket raised to 8 upon 8 into this minus 1 upon 3 term which is here in the denominator will become minus 3 when we will write that term in the numerator, plus 4t plus 5 bracket raised to 5 upon 5 into 4. So minus 3 upon 8, 11 minus t upon 3 bracket raised to 8 plus here we can write 1 upon 20, 5 4s are 20, so 1 upon 20, 4t plus 5 bracket raised to 5 plus c, that is the constant of integration. Now question number 3. Evaluate integration of 1 upon 6x plus 5 bracket raised to 4 minus 1 upon 8 minus 3x bracket raised to 9 dx. Now here also first we will consider the given term as I, and since two terms are given to integrate, we will write separate integration for both the terms, and as the linear equation with power n are present in the denominator, so when we will write them in numerator the power will become minus. So here we will get integration of 6x plus 5 bracket raised to minus 4 dx minus integration of 8 minus 3x bracket raised to minus 9 dx. Now again by using the same formula ax plus b bracket raised to n, we will get the integration of first term as 6x plus 5 raised to minus 4 plus 1 upon minus 4 plus 1 into coefficient of x, that is 6, minus integration of second term 8 minus 3x bracket raised to minus 9 plus 1 upon minus 9 plus 1 into coefficient of x, that is minus 3, plus c, where c is the constant of integration. So after simplification we will get minus 1 upon 18, 1 upon 6x plus 5 bracket raised to minus 3, minus 1 upon 24, 8 minus 3x bracket raised to minus 8 plus c. As when we will simplify this denominator, we will get minus 4 plus 1 as minus 3, and minus 3 into 6 is minus 18. Similarly here minus 9 plus 1 is minus 8 into minus 3. So while multiplying both the terms, minus minus will become plus, and 8 3s are 24. So this middle minus sign will be as it is. Now as here we have this function raised to minus term, so if we write this term in the denominator, the power will become plus. So minus 1 upon 18, 1 upon 6x plus 5 bracket raised to 3, minus 1 upon 24 into 1 upon 8 minus 3x bracket raised to 8. As we are writing the terms in the denominator, the negative power will become positive. Now 4. Evaluate integration of x plus 1 upon x bracket raised to 3 dx. Now we will consider the given term as I, and we know that here we can apply the formula of a plus b the bracket cube, and the formula of a plus b the bracket cube is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. So we will consider these x as a and 1 upon x as b. So here a cube, that is x cube, plus 3 into a square, that is x square, into b plus 3 into a into b square, that is 1 upon x square, plus b cube, that is 1 upon x cube. Now after simplification, that is multiplying these terms, we will get x cube plus 3x plus 3 upon x plus 1 upon x cube, and the bracket with respect to the integration x, that is dx. So since 4 terms are present, we will write the integration sign 4 times. Now integration of x cube is x raised to 4 upon 4 by using the formula of x raised to n. While integrating 3x, 3 will be as it is, integration of x is x square upon 2, plus here also 3 will be as it is, integration of 1 upon x is log mod x, and while integrating this, since the x cube term is present in the denominator, when we will write that in numerator, that will become x raised to minus 3. And for the term x raised to minus 3, we will apply the formula of x raised to n, that is x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1. And after simplification, we will get the answer as minus 1 upon 2x square. You can simplify this and check, you will get the same answer, plus c. So this is the integration of given term. Now question number 5. Evaluate integration of x cube plus 4x square minus 6x plus 5 upon x dx. Now here, since the denominator term is only x and that is common for all, therefore we can divide each and every term of numerator by this common denominator x. So while after dividing by x, we will get x square plus 4x minus 6 plus 5 upon x. Now since the 4 terms are present, we will write the integration sign 4 times. So integration of x square will be x cube upon 3 plus 4 as it is, integration of x will be x square upon 2 minus 6 as it is, integration of 1, that is x, plus 5 as it is, integration of 1 upon x is log mod x, and plus c. Here we can simplify this by dividing 4 by 2. Now question number 6, evaluate x cube into 2 minus 3x the bracket square dx. Now here we will consider the given term as I. Now first we will split this bracket by using the formula of a minus b the whole square, that is a square minus 2ab plus b square, keeping this x cube which is given outside as it is. Now after splitting this bracket, we will multiply each and every term by this x cube and we will write the simplified form, that is 4x cube minus 12x square plus 9x dx. Now since 3 terms are present, we will write the integration sign 3 times. Now integration will be 4 as it is, integration of x cube is x raised to 4 upon 4 minus 12 as it is, integration of x square will be x cube upon 3 plus 9 as it is, integration of x will be x square by 2 plus constant of integration, that is c. So after simplification we will get x raised to 4 minus 4x cube plus 9 upon 2x square plus c. Thank you students.